Today in this video, I'm going to share with you my per month budget of living in Dubai. First is the rent, which is around 6,667 dirham per month for a one bedroom apartment. Second is the DEWA bill, which is Dubai Electricity and Water Association. That comes around to 450 to 500 dirham per month depending upon the usage. Third is the Aquacool bill or chiller bill, which comes around 500 to 550 dirham per month depending on the usage. Now you must be wondering what is the Aquacool bill. So Aquacool is my AC bill. My AC bill is not included in the DEWA bill. I have a separate bill for AC. And now it might be double because itni garmi hai, it's really not possible for me to go outside in the sun. But I'm still come out to shoot and it was so hot. So I jumped into an ice cream shop so I could, get some air conditioner and have an ice cream. Fourth is the gas bill, which comes around 60 to 80 dirhams depending upon the usage. Fifth is the most important and mandatory bill, which is the Wi-Fi bill, which comes around 288 dirham per month. Last is the overall bill for groceries, petrol, if you want to travel somewhere, if you want to eat from outside, if you want to buy anything, you want to go shopping. So that comes around minimum of 5,000 dirham per month. This is just a basic total. While shifting, I've given security deposit for the apartment, for the DEWA bill, for the gas, for the chiller, for the